Hi everyone! Once again, this is your AI. So, kung we are giving nourishment to our spiritual, pagkain pang spiritual, this time let's give nourishment to our pagkain pangkaisipan. Okay, science naman tayo, science trivia. A group of cells that work together form a tissues. A group of tissues that work together form an organs. And a group of organs working together form a system. Yan po ang how we are created. Mag-start po siya sa cells and then it will develop into tissues and then it will develop into organ and then into a system. And then we have this um, different body system in our body. I mean, different system in our bodies. First, we have the digestive system. The digestive system is the system responsible in the digestion of our food. Digestion starts in the bowel. And then we have the excretory. E for excretory, this is the one responsible in eliminating our waste. And then we have M, muscular. This is the system that is responsible for our muscles. And then S is skeletal. It is the framework of our body. And nervous system that includes our brain and spinal cord. And then we have the respiratory that is responsible for our breathing system that includes the lungs. And then we have the circulatory that is the responsible for the transformation of our blood. And the heart is included there, the pumping station of our body. These are the 7 systems in our body. So digestive, excretory, muscular, skeletal, nervous system, and respiratory and circulatory system. Oh, remember this acronym DEM, SNRC. DEM, SNRC. So digestive, excretory, muscular, skeletal, nervous, respiratory, and circulatory. And our body is made up of billions of cells that work together and form a tissues. And then after that, the tissues form an organs and organs form a system. That is all for science trivia or science knowledge. Kung ano po yung maibigay na kaisipan, pangkaisipan, pang-spiritual, at pang-physical, hayaan nyo na po ang inyong lingkod na makapagbigay. Pag napadaan po ang aking YouTube channel, pakiclick na lang po ng notification bell. At maraming salamat po sa nakaka-appreciate kong 128 subscribers. Thank you so much. Salamat po ng taos-puso sa aking buong puso po akong nagpapasalamat. Once again, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. This is your AI acronym individual. Kahit mga short videos lang po. Hindi pa po ako tech, hindi ko po alam kung paano talaga i-enhance ang YouTube channel. God bless us all!